All right, one more example today with arithmetic series. So we've got our sigma notation again. This one just a little different from that previous example. Notice we're not starting at 1 down here. This one's actually starting at the 46th term, and we're going to the 207th term. And so you do it very similar though, except instead of having our general formula here, n over 2 a1 plus a sub n. In this case, the first term is actually the 46th term. The nth term is still the same. You'd put 207 there. And then we just need to figure out what our step is. So let's go ahead and plug things in here. Let's see what we've got. So first of all, s sub n, how many terms do we have? This is where it's easy to make a little mistake. If I did 207 minus 46, so 207 minus 46, that would be 161, but it's not 161 terms. You need to add 1 to that. Of course, I could do that without a calculator, but it's 162. So we're actually doing a sum of 162 terms. And that becomes very important because it's part of our formula here. Again, just to illustrate that, what if this was a 1 and that was 100? Well, you know that's 100 steps. You don't even have to think about it. But if you did 100 minus 1, of course that would be 99. You'd have to add that 1 to make it 100. So same thing here. Just think about an easy example and that'll help. So subtract them and then just add 1. Okay, so 162 over 2. Now what's our first term? Well, we need to plug 46 in there. So let's do negative 5 times 46. So negative 230. Plus, and now we're going to do 207 in there. So negative 5 times 207 and negative 1035. Okay, now we're ready to go. So if I go ahead and just plug things in here, so I've got 162 divided by 2, of course that's 81, times negative 230 minus 1035. And we'll get negative 1265, whoops, times 81. I forgot to multiply by my 81. So big old number here. So we have negative 102,465. And that is our series.